Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to tell you what is page loading speed. Page loading speed, also known as website loading speed or page load time, refer to the amount of time it takes for the web page to fully display its content in a user browser. It is a critical factor in user experience, can signify impact a visit websites, performs user satisfaction and search engines ranking. Keys accept of page loading speed includes: the first is render time. What is render time? Render time is a time it takes for the browser to process and display the visual elements of the web page. It include loading image, style sheets, spread and other resources necessary for the page. It is called a render time. The next is load time. What is load time? Load time is a total time required for a web page to load, including both server processing time and render time. It is often measured from the moment a user requests a page until all elements are fully loaded. It is called a load time. The next topic is server response time. What is server response time? Server response time is a time it takes for a web server to respond to the user request. A fast server response time contribute to quick overall page loading. That's the next is page size. What is page size? Page size, the size of web page including in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, image and other assets directly offered loading speed. Optimizing and minimizing the size of these assets can lead to faster load time. It is called page size. The next is browser caching. What is this? It allows certain elements of the web page to be stored locally on the user device after the initial visit. Cached resources can be diffused for visits, reducing loads time. That is it. The next is content delivered network. What is this? It's called CDN. CDNs distribute website content across multiple servers worldwide, reducing the physical distance between a user and the servers. These can signify improved load time, especially for users located from the website hosting server. It is called CDN. Next is comprehension. What is comprehension? Comprehension assets like image, style sheets and separates before sending them to the browser, reduce the amount of data that need to be transmitted. It is called comprehension. Common comprehensions method include GZIP for text-based file. It is called comprehension. The next topic is minifications. What is minification? Minification involves removing unnecessary character, white space comments from code without affecting in functionality. Smaller file size lead to faster download and render time. This is called a minification. The next is optimize image. What is optimize image? Large or uncompressed image can contribute significance to slow load time. Optimize image by realizing and compressing, then improve page loading speed. It is called optimize image. The next is mobile optimization. Next is mobile optimization. Mobile users often have slower internet connection, so optimizing for mobile device is crucial. Implement responsive designs and serve sized image for different size. Page loading speed is not only initial for providing a positive user experience but also search engines ranking. Search engines like Google considered page and speed for a rank factor, and fast loading page are more likely to rank higher in search result. Web developers and website owners strive to optimize page loading speed to ensure their sites and affectionate, user friendly, and competitive in the online landscape. So it is called the mobile optimization. That's the topic. Thank you guys for watching.